In today's video, I'm going to teach you to change address on Fidelity account. We'll walk through the process on the app or the website step by step so your account reflects your new location without any hiccups. Before you begin, have your new address exactly as it appears on official mail. If you recently moved, remember that postal forwarding doesn't update your financial accounts. This quick change does. Use the official Fidelity app or website and be ready to complete any two-step verification prompt, since Fidelity may ask you to confirm it's really you. Start by logging into your Fidelity account with your usual credentials, complete any security checks, and land on your main dashboard. Everything we need is available from here and takes just a few clicks. Open the main menu and go to Profile. On mobile, this may look like a profile silhouette or your initials. On desktop, it's typically near the upper right of the page. Profile is the central spot for your personal details, so heading here ensures you're changing the right information. Next, open Account and Settings, then choose Personal Information. This section stores your contact details, including your address. If you manage multiple accounts under one login, updating this area applies your new address to communications links to your profile. Find the address area and select the option to edit or update. Type your street address exactly as you want it to appear on mail, including apartment, unit, or suite numbers. Confirm the city, state, and zip code, and use standard abbreviations to avoid formatting issues. If you see multiple address types, such as mailing or legal, choose the one that matches what you intend to update. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. You may be prompted to review the change, acknowledge that it's your current address, or briefly verify the update for security. Take a moment to double-check spelling and numbers. Accuracy here ensures statements and year-end tax documents arrive without delay. When everything looks correct, save your updates. Click or tap the button labeled Save, Submit, or Confirm, and wait for the success message. Your new address should display immediately in the personal information section. If something doesn't look right, simply select Edit again and make the correction. And that's it, your address has been successfully updated. Fidelity typically sends a confirmation notice, so keep an eye on your messages. From now on, mailed communications tied to your account will use your new address. Thanks for watching, and keep your profile details current so important updates always reach you on time.